Hello everyone, how's everyone doing today? Today I'm doing a Disney Doorables Technicolor opening. There could be either 2 or 3 in here. And it says 60 to club, sparkly glittery eyes. So, the ones that they have in here is Zootopia. It'd be cool to get Judy Hopps, Nick, or Priscilla, and I already have Stu Hopps. 101 Dalmatians. I already have Pongo, but it'd be cool to get the rest. The Rescuers. I have Orville. Fantasia, I have Sorcerer Mickey. It'd be cool to get Peter Pegasus. Elemental, I have Ember and Gale. It'd be cool to get Wade and Bernie. Finding Nemo, it'd be cool to get Peach. I have Garguli and Bubbles. Tangled, I have Flynn Rider. It'd be cool to get Maximus. Peter Pan, I have Slidey and Tooties. The Princess and the Frog, I have Charlotte. Special edition, I have Tigger, Olaf, and the Cheshire Cat. It'd be cool to get the rest. And then limited edition, it'd be cool to get both those. Doorables Technicolor. There's 2 in this one. And that's one of the ones from Fantasia. She is Madame Upanova. And then, ooh, one of the ones from Elemental. That is really fun. Very good. That one is Bernie, one of the ones that I said I wanted. Bernie. Out of the 2, I have to say Bernie's my favorite. What about you guys? You want me to comment in the comment section which one was yours? And the code for this is 3453SK01AM006. And if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to the bell on. Thank you.